Hey guys, it's Pilar, and I wanted to let you know that the SwagBucks website is currently offering a $120 Varo money sign-up bonus promotion when you open a new Varo banking account using the SwagBucks affiliate link. Everything you need to know about how to qualify for this Varo bonus, I've outlined for you in this video. It comes from my personal experience of claiming this exact reward through the SwagBucks website. I'm also going to let you know how to still get a Varo bank bonus even if this offer is no longer available. Now, SwagBucks is constantly changing these bonus offers, and this one recently went from $30 to $120, and that's why this bank bonus promotion is too good to pass up. So the qualifications are very simple, and best of all, you won't be required to do a direct deposit to qualify for the reward. So let's quickly run through this offer. Now, here's the deal. You'll earn 12,000 SwagBuck points, which equals $120 in value when you open a new Varo bank account using the SwagBucks affiliate link. Here are the simple steps to qualify for this promotion. You want to sign into your SwagBucks account. Now, if you're a brand new SwagBucks user, then I'll place a link underneath this video. Use that link to sign up. It will get you an extra $10 bonus reward. Next, you want to go directly to the $120 Varo bonus offer. Again, that link will be underneath this video. You want to open a Varo bank account with that link. That is going to be the SwagBucks affiliate link, and you need to do that in order to receive your SwagBuck points. Now, Varo Bank must approve your application first, but don't worry about this. Most everyone is accepted. And next, you'll want to link a separate bank account to your newly opened Varo account and deposit $25 or more. And you must use the same email address associated with your SwagBucks account. That way, SwagBucks will easily be able to determine who signed up and give you your SwagBuck points. And you must keep your Varo account open until SwagBucks verifies the completion of this offer. And this offer is only valid to new Varo account users. So if you've previously installed the Varo Bank app, you are ineligible for this promotion, unfortunately, and the offer may only be redeemed once per user. So once you complete those steps, your reward will be issued within 45 days to your SwagBucks account. Just be aware that it won't show as pending during this time, but as a precaution, I would recommend placing a reminder on your calendar to check back on this. And if for some reason you haven't received your 12,000 SwagBuck points in the allotted time frame, then you'll want to send an email to customer service inquiring about it. You'll have a 14-day grace period to submit a ticket to customer service after the 45-day credit time passes. So I joined SwagBucks just for the purposes of taking part in this special bank bonus offer. In my case, it only took 2 days from the time I opened a Varo bank account and linked my TD bank account and transferred money over into my Varo account for SwagBucks to issue my $120 reward. Now, what if by the time you watch this video, the $120 bank bonus offer from SwagBucks is no longer available? Then you can still use my referral link that you see on your screen. That will still give you a $50 Varo bank bonus when you join Varo and spend $20 within 30 days of opening your account. I will also place that link underneath this video. So you opened a new Varo account using the SwagBucks affiliate link, and now you have 12,000 SwagBuck points sitting in your account. So now what? Well, you can redeem these points for PayPal Cash or to gift cards. Now, 100 SwagBuck points equals $1 in value. This makes the Varo money bonus offer worth $120, which again is a pretty significant increase from the original $30 offer. So if you're looking to convert your SwagBuck points into cold hard cash, then redeeming it for PayPal Cash is the way to go. You can cash out to your PayPal account in increments of $5, $10, $25, $100 or more. I opted to cash out my rewards to PayPal and redeemed a $100 PayPal Cash reward and a $10 PayPal Cash reward. This left my account with about 1,000 SwagBuck points that I can redeem later on. The money showed up in my PayPal account within 3 business days of requesting the reward under the name The Reward Store. Since this was my very first time trying out a SwagBucks offer, I can tell you that I was relieved to see the money in my account. The offer almost sounded too good to be true, but it did in fact work as stated. You can also choose to redeem your 12,000 SwagBuck points to gift cards. You'll find a variety of gift cards available to choose from, including that from Amazon, Home Depot, Apple, Visa, Walmart, Target, and more. Additionally, you'll oftentimes find gift cards that are on sale. These cards can be a really great deal, especially if you're a frequent shopper of that merchant. For example, SwagBucks is currently offering offering a 12% discount on a $25 Amazon gift card. So instead of the regular 2,500 SwagBuck points needed to redeem the card, you'll only need 2,200 SwagBuck points. The $25 Visa gift card was also on sale at 13% off, which is a rare find. So why even sign up for a Varo bank account? Well, it's an online bank where you'll be able to manage everything straight from your phone, and like most major banks, your money is also FDIC insured up to $250,000. So you can rest assured knowing your money is safe and secure. Varo Bank also offers both an online checking account as well as a competitive high-yield savings account. For a Varo online checking account, it's free to open and the majority of applicants get approved almost immediately. Other benefits to a Varo bank account include no monthly maintenance fees, no minimum balance requirement, 2-day early paycheck, no foreign transaction fees, and no ATM fees at over 55,000 plus all-point ATMs. In addition to all of the above, you'll be able to earn up to 15% cash back on your purchases, up to $50 per month when you enroll into Varo Perks. Their Visa Zero Liability feature also guarantees you won't be held responsible for unauthorized charges on your debit card. And with your Varo High Yield Savings account, you'll have access to automatic savings tools. This feature includes Save the Change, which will help you save money every time you spend with your Varo debit card. The Varo Save Your Pay is another tool that will automatically deposit a percentage of your pay into your savings account. The amount you decide to save with this feature is completely up to you. You're in control of the percentage of your deposits that you wish to put aside. The $120 Varo Money sign-up bonus promotion with SwagBucks is one of the best and easiest bank bonus offers available today, but it's not the only offer on the block. If you love taking advantage of bank sign-up bonus offers, then check underneath this video for links to special promotions that you can earn right now today, free money. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a like, and I'll see you again in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.